Hi, this is Sharon Smoot with Coldwell Banker, and today I want to talk to buyers about due diligence and what exactly that means. Now, when realtors talk about due diligence, there are two different meanings to that term. The first has to do with the due diligence period in the purchase and sale agreement, and that is something that you contract with or negotiate with the seller on. So you can agree to a due diligence period that's 5 days. You can agree to a due diligence period that's 15 days, somewhere in between, longer than 15 days, whatever. That's really something that a buyer and a seller come to agreement on. And in Georgia, the due diligence period is the period during which the buyer can have the property inspected. They can have a home inspection, a radon inspection, a lead-based paint inspection. They can have the roof inspected. They can have the electrical and plumbing and any other systems in the home inspected. Any inspections that the buyer wants to have, they can have done during the due diligence period. And the buyer has the right to terminate the contract for any reason during the due diligence period and receive all of their earnest money back. Now, the second meaning of due diligence means or is when the buyer does the investigations that they need to satisfy themselves about the neighborhood. You might be concerned about the quality of the schools. You might be concerned about the crime in the area. You might be concerned about whether there are electrical towers or cell phone towers near the property. You could be concerned about the proximity to a cemetery. You might be concerned about how close the property is to railroad tracks. Part of a buyer's due diligence is investigating and discovering those types of things about the property. Anything that might matter to you that you could find out through your own personal investigation. That's a part of your due diligence. So it is not uncommon for a buyer to ask their real estate agent, well, can you tell me about how safe the neighborhood is? Can you tell me how close the railroad tracks are to the property, or can you hear the train, from the house? Those are things that you would need to find out for yourself. And so I always encourage buyers to drive the neighborhood. If you see that you're interested in a property, you've seen it online, before you go out to view it with your agent, you might want to just drive through the neighborhood to get an idea of what's going on. And then you also can do research online to find out about the quality of the schools and the crime statistics. So that's it for today. I just wanted to give a quick little overview of the two meanings of due diligence so that you can be clear on what your agent means when they talk to you about the due diligence period versus you're doing particular investigations as part of your due diligence. If you have any questions about buying or selling real estate in the Atlanta area, please feel free to give me a call. I can be reached at 678-446-5925. Thanks so much, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.